Hello, my friends. Today I join you on this very auspicious day. I call it auspicious because it's not a celebration for me. It's a day when I thank that very person in our lives who has been behind the scene helping us to achieve what we have achieved in life so far. And so I take an opportunity and starting my new YouTube channel, The Lesson Known, on this very day, and wishing all the gorgeous ladies, the fantastic moms, a very happy Mother's Day. Here I speak about a person who has always been behind us as a strong support, as a guide, as a friend, as somebody who has put herself as the life's priority when we have been our first. She's always free for us, whenever, whatever time you want, because her arms are always open for us. And yet, somehow, we see that she never shares the limelight. She's always there, just as the backbone of every family. When I talk to you about famous personalities, and when you are asked about any famous personality, there are lots of names which will come to your mind. If you ask a child, right from our childhood, from when we started going to school, we were taught about the personalities who have earned a great name in the world. To mention a few: Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, APJ Abdul Kalam. And then we come down to other fields as well. We have a PV Sindhu, we have a Bichindri Pal, we have Lata Mangeshkar, or we have Geeta Phogat and Hima Das. I'm sure you know a lot about them. And if you want to find out, you'll have lots written about them. But if I name people like Putli Bai, Vidyavati, Mool Rani, have you ever heard about them? No, you haven't. And if you have, hats off to all of you. Because these are the people who were there, standing as a pillar, encouraging every step their child took. And they stood behind them, always focusing that whatever their child does it well. And so today is a tribute to the mothers of these some famous first personalities, and I hope it will be a celebration of a different kind. Putli Bai Gandhi, a mother who gave support to her son to pursue his education of a barrister by financing his travel, selling her jewelry, and getting the elders to give him consent so that he could go to complete his education. Yes, the mother of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. A true devotee of God who would eat only after her pujas. Even if she was unwell, she would continue following rituals. And she was very particular, very disciplined about whatever she did. And for her, it was always peace and rituals, which were a very important part of her life. And we could see this in the way Mahatma Gandhi conducted himself. We come to Jijabai, an inspiration to her son Shivaji Maharaj, and who always prayed for the protection of her nation and for whom Dharma was very important. She played a very important role as an administrator. She was known for her valor, for her courage. She was very good as a housewife as well, very talented as a true leader. She kept telling Shivaji stories about God Ram, Maruti, and Krishna, and also taught him the importance of the devotion to nation. She always taught him our efforts bring success to our doorstep only with the grace of God. And it was her valor, her ideology, which was an inspiration to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. And you could see a true replica of his mother in him. Vidyavati Devi, known as Punjab Mata, very courageous, very patriotic. She was not very learned, but after her marriage, she somehow managed to study Hindi and Punjabi. It was after Bhagat Singh's death that she said at a centenary of the First War of Indian Independence, "As long as I live, Bhagat will be with me, and when I die, I will join him." You can see the courage that these ladies had, though they themselves remained in the house, but they were a constant support to their children. And that's what brought about what they were. The valor and the bravery that they did have shown, you know how it has come true. It is only because of a brave mother standing behind them. Moolmati, the mother of Ram Prasad Bismil, a firm believer of patriotism and in the revolutionary ideas to gain independence. After losing her son, Bismil, there were no tears in her eyes, and she proudly supported her other sons and stood strong behind them. You can see the courage behind these men which comes through their mothers. And none of us, unfortunately, know them. We learn them as only as a name, and their identity somehow hides behind what their children have achieved. And I'm sure they are very proud of it. Prabhavati Bose, mother of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. She too gave her contribution as a social and political activist. And she always believed in whatever her son did and gave him courage and constant support. Suprabha Ray, mother of the great filmmaker Satyajit Ray. A very educated and dignified lady. She was very talented, I would say multi-talented, simple, and a very strict disciplinarian who excelled in both creative and literary fields, but somehow got overshadowed by the popularity of her husband and then of her son. But it brought about some values and some creation, some ethics, some morals in a child. And we can see these very ideas depicted in the movies made by Satyajit Ray. Rajkumari Lajwanti, mother of the legend Kapil Dev. Yes, a cricketer. You can see the mothers of these personalities who have excelled in different fields. But it's the only one person who has given them the guidance, the encouragement, which have helped them to achieve what they did. Rajkumari Lajwanti was no less a strong support and a very caring mother. It was because of her encouragement that he could pursue his passion. For people were against him taking up sports, but it was she who told Kapil Dev, "Move ahead in life, I am with you." And she made sure that he could take up his passion as a career. Shevanti Mangeshkar. We all know about Lata Mangeshkar and Asha Bhosle, but Shevanti Mangeshkar, their mother, always stood as a pillar of strength and embodiment of self respect for their children. She always believed that whatever you do, you should do it with dedication and with devotion, and that has helped both the sisters achieve great heights because they still remember all the hard work, all the sacrifices made by their mother so that they could reach where they are today. Last but not the least, Mangte Akham Kom, mother of Mary Kom. She too was a pillar of strength, support, and guide to her kids, and who believed that hard work, dedication, and discipline can help you succeed in life. She encouraged her daughter to follow her dreams. And that's what made her what she is today. So, as you see, there are so many mothers, I have just named a few, who have proved that it is the mother who can instill values, morals, ethics into you, and you are a shadow of her. Because a mother is learning the strengths that you never knew you had and dealing with the fears you thought never existed. Because she's the one who will constantly be there guiding and supporting you in whatever you do. So, as I end my video today, I thank each and every mother for whatever contributions they have done in life and are doing. And I know how difficult it is for all of you. And I salute you for the efforts that you make, for the sacrifices that you make in making us what we are. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and if you like it, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Lesson Known. Have a great day and a very happy Mother's Day. Thank you.